Another interesting topic require a lot of detailed knowledge, that is fundamental review of trading books, especially when it has the interim impact, how to analyze that situation where you have a market book and every bank has a trading book. So how to analyze, how to review in order to achieve a benchmark, how to achieve a compliance of the Basel Committee for banking supervision. Our agenda is very simple. We will see that what is the concept of a trading book or the other kind of key terms that is involved into, what are the statistics, what are the methods, how we get the median, mode, quartile, percentile, and what kind of deviation, standard deviation, variances. I'll try to understand all these analysis. We'll see what are the findings in terms of research by comparing different kind of banks and by comparing the internal reviews. We'll take the sample of some participating bank, how they behave, what was their reaction, what were their analysis. We will see the analysis of the proposed standardized and internally modeled approach, what models we can use, because each model is going to give each answer. When you calculate covariance, when you have standard deviation analysis, when you have the mean, median, mode, you check the central tendency of the data. It's really changed the effect, and we will see that what is the concept of trading desk structure, how the profit and loss attribution will be tested. So what are different tests available for this, in order to see that everything is not based on sample. There are some non-sampling statistics concept. So what will be the non-modelable risk factors by using qualitative factors. Sometimes we use quantitative factors, and combination of both is really important to go for. We will see that how profit and loss is going to affect through the risk factors, because risk is going to add or less your profitability, and what will be the proposed standard approach in terms of analysis of a closed form question. And we will see what are the boundaries of these analyses, and we will conclude our findings that how we can adopt these best practices in order to achieve very effective risk management along with standardized approach under the supervision of Banking Committee, Basel Committee for banking supervision.